Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned about record types and how they help us show different page layouts for different business processes. Now let's learn another important customization feature in Salesforce called compact layout. So first, let's understand what is a compact layout. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you open a student profile. Before scrolling down, you immediately want to see important information like student name, roll number, email, phone number. You don't want to search through the entire record just to find these details. That's exactly what a compact layout does. A compact layout controls the fields displayed at the top of a record page, known as highlight panels. In simple words, a compact layout decides which important fields are shown first when you open a record. Okay, so imagine a account record has 50 different fields. Do users need to see all 50 immediately? Probably not. Most users only want quick access to important information. Compact layout helps by displaying only the most useful fields at the top of the page. This improves the user experience and allow users to find important information quickly. So now let's talk about what is the highlight panel. Okay, the highlight panel is the section at the very top of a record page. It displays record name, important fields from the compact layout, quick actions like edit, delete, clone, and others. Whenever you modify a compact layout, the highlight panel updates automatically to show the selected fields. Now let's switch to the Salesforce org and we'll see the compact layout in the org and we will try to create our own compact layout too. So now I have opened my Salesforce org and in this org I have this student object created already. Okay, whenever you click on new button you can see I have different types of field and I can create the student record from here. Okay, so whenever I open a record, let's see, here I have opened a record and you can see this part, this portion, this is an highlight panel which is showing me some important details here. It is showing me the student name here for now. Okay, so if I click on account object and try to open a record of an account, and you can see this highlight panel have multiple things. It is showing type, phone, website, account owner, account site, industry, a lot of fields in the highlight panel. So this is all coming from a compact layout, obviously. So let's try to open one or more records of different objects and you can see the contact record have different highlight panel with different fields. So now we will try to create our own compact layout and we'll try to put it in our student object highlight panel. Okay, we will try to put it here. So first I will go to the edit object and in the edit object we have an option of compact layout here. This is the option of compact layout and in the compact layout you can see it is already selected on system default. But now I want to create a new compact layout. Okay, so I will click on new compact layout. So now I will give it a name. I will give it a name like student compact layout and from these available fields I can choose what fields I want to show at the highlight panel. So there is a limit, I can only show 10 fields, but for now I will choose only few fields. I want to show Aadhaar number, I want to show blood group, at the top I want to show phone number, roll number, student name. So I want to show these fields in my highlight panel. So now I will gonna save it. Now I have created the student compact layout, but now I need to assign it to my object using compact layout assignment. So I will click on compact layout assignment and in the compact layout assignment you can see the primary compact layout is system default. Now I want to edit it, so I will click on edit and here and I will gonna change it from system default to student compact layout and then I will gonna save it. Okay, I have created some record types also in my object. I can also choose the compact layout based on my record type too. So for now I will just change the primary compact layout. So let me save it from here and now my primary compact layout changed to my custom student compact layout. So I will go back to my object and will try to refresh the page. Okay, so now I have refreshed the page and now what I will do, I will first see how many records I have. So let's create a new record first. Okay, so I have filled the details and let me save it. So now I have saved the record and you can see as soon as I save the record, so you can see my highlight panel has been changed and it is showing Aadhaar number at top because when I was creating the compact layout, I choose the Aadhaar number at first. So whatever you choose first, it will gonna highlight at top. Okay, so this is my Aadhaar number, this is my blood group, my phone number, roll number, and student name. So whatever I choose in my custom compact layout, I am able to see it here in my highlight panel. So that's how you can create your own compact layout and then use it in your highlight panel to show different fields. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood the compact layout concept and what is a highlight panel. So that's how easy it is to customize the top section of a record page. Okay, so in the next video, we will learn about Lightning record pages and see how we can completely customize the layout of a record page using the Lightning app builder. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.